Hey guys, it's Chris here, and today we're going to be looking at a baby monitor, or indoor home security camera. So in the box it comes with your standard stuff, mounting screws and the mounting plate where you can mount this on the wall or anywhere you want to mount this to. It's a full 1080 HD, which means it's 1920 by 1080 pixels. The design is calm and not scary to look at. It powers through a micro USB port, and they provide a USB power brick and a 4-foot micro to USB cable. It's $44.99, and so for $45 the camera can swivel 360 degrees. It has a micro SD card reader, Wi-Fi 2.4 GHz capable, and you can watch from anywhere on the app on your smartphone. It has a small speaker. It's also Alexa compatible. However, I still have to use this on Google. It's also Smart Assistant compatible. It has a small speaker for making announcements through the speaker remotely, and it also has a microphone so you can hear people at the other end of the camera. Around the camera there's an infrared light so it can also see in the dark, and for an indoor surveillance camera, its aesthetic is pretty cool, I guess. It's a pretty calm looking feel, and you can put this anywhere in the house without having it look scary in the house furniture around it. The Wi-Fi chip is pretty stable. My Note 9 sometimes disconnects from Wi-Fi, so do my Life X lights, but every time I go into the app, I do majority of the time can get a connection. It's not very fast, but it is consistent. The speaker is loud enough to catch attention if you're yelling through the microphone, but the sound quality coming from the unit is alright. It's a little murky, but you can listen and hear what it's saying.
Hey guys, it's Chris here, and this is a audio test of the microphone coming. Hey guys, it's Chris here, and this is a audio test of the speaker built into this camera. It's a decent loudness, but if you have music playing in the background, you may have to listen carefully for the sound. This is an audio test of the speaker on the camera. Test. Echo, Lima, Alfred.
Overall, I'd give this Nooie baby monitor a price to value ratio of 7 or 8 out of 10. $45, you get a pretty good package, 360 degree swivel, SD card reader. You can also upload to the cloud, but you have to pay a subscription. But I think having a micro SD card is really good enough for those 1-day or 2-day storage space. I give this product an overall price to value ratio of 7.5 out of 10. I just gave it half a point because it's tinkering on the 7 and 8. I think what you're going for most here is the aesthetic, and it doesn't look scary when in the house. And as a baby monitor, it doesn't look scary at all. It's got curved lines and the design is calming. That does it with this quick review. Thank you guys for watching. I'd like to thank Nooie for sending this out for review. And if you guys have any questions or concerns about this, let me know in the comments below and I'll be sure to answer them as soon as possible. Please subscribe for future content, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.